There are several highly skilled sniffer dog breeds that excel in different areas of detection work. Here are some of the best sniffer dog breeds known for their exceptional scenting abilities. 1. Labrador Retriever. Labs are versatile and commonly used as sniffer dogs in various fields, including drug detection, explosive detection, and search and rescue operations. They have an excellent sense of smell, are intelligent, and easily trainable. 2. German Shepherd. Known for their intelligence, loyalty, and protective nature, German Shepherds are often used as police and military dogs. They excel in tracking, scent detection, and apprehension work. 3. Belgian Malinois. Similar to German Shepherds, Malinois dogs are frequently employed in law enforcement and military roles. They are highly agile, have exceptional drive, and possess a strong work ethic. Their keen sense of smell makes them adept at drug and explosive detection. 4. Bloodhound. Bloodhounds are renowned for their unparalleled scenting abilities. They have a keen nose and are primarily used for tracking purposes, such as finding missing persons or trailing scents over long distances. 5. Beagle. Beagles are commonly employed as sniffer dogs in airports and other areas where their small size and friendly demeanor are advantageous. They have an exceptional sense of smell and are frequently used for detecting contraband items like drugs and explosives. 6. Springer Spaniel. Springer Spaniels are often used as sniffer dogs for detecting drugs, explosives, and other illicit substances. They are known for their energy, intelligence, and strong sense of smell. It's important to note that while these breeds are generally recognized for their abilities in scent detection, individual dogs' training, temperament, and experience play significant roles in their performance.